Hiccups. You're minding your own business, eating at a nice restaurant, when suddenly, your diaphragm has started an involuntary spasm roughly every 10 seconds. One of the mildest status effects you can acquire, but also one of the most annoying. And one filled with mystery. One theory goes like this. Hiccups are triggered by electric signals generated in the brainstem. Amphibian brainstems emit similar signals to control the motion of their gills. Our brain stems, inherited from amphibian ancestors, still spurt out odd signals, producing hiccups that are essentially the same phenomenon as gill breathing. Maybe herein lies the secret to dispelling this status effect. The next time you have the hiccups, remind your brain that you are not a fish. I am not a fish.